Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Aural Education. Today's topic is what is landslide. Landslide is also called a downward or upward movement of soil, rock, vegetation under the influence of gravity. Types of landslide. 4 types of landslide: falls, topple, slides and spread. First type, falls. It occurs as a result of mechanical weathering, earthquake and the force of gravity. Second type, topple. It takes place around an axis near or at the bottom of the block of the rock. Third type, slides. When a piece of the rock slides downwards and gets separated from it. Fourth type, spread. It happens on flat area and gentle slopes and can occur because of softer material. Next topic is landslide vulnerability zones of India. There are 4 zones mentioned in map. First is very high zone, second is high zone, third is moderate to low zone and fourth one is other areas. Next topic on what are the landslide prone states in India. As you can see, there is landslide prone areas with states and cities. Next topic is causes of landslide. First is natural causes. Second one is human causes of landslide. Next topic, impact of landslide. First is short-term impact, second is long-term impacts. Next topic, do's and don'ts during landslide. There are some do's and don'ts. List of affected areas in India till date. Conclusion. Landslide is natural and also a man-made disaster. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel.